You've heard the buzz. ChatGPT, Gemini. These aren't just names, they're the titans of the AI world, promising to revolutionize how we work, learn, and even create. But which one reigns supreme? Is ChatGPT still the king, or has Gemini seized the crown? Let's dive deep. But ChatGPT has its limitations. While it excels at creative tasks, it can sometimes hallucinate information, meaning it confidently presents incorrect or nonsensical data. Plus, its knowledge cutoff often lags behind real-time events. Enter Gemini, Google's ambitious foray into the AI arena. Positioned as a more advanced model, Gemini boasts enhanced reasoning and coding abilities. It's designed to be more accurate, more informative, and more versatile than its predecessor. Voiceover, Gemini excels in areas where ChatGPT falters. It's better at understanding and responding to complex instructions, making it a powerful tool for research and problem solving. Its ability to handle multimodal data, like images and code, opens up exciting possibilities for new applications. So, the million-dollar question, which one is better? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Voiceover, ChatGPT might be the better choice for creative writing tasks, brainstorming ideas, or simply having a casual conversation. Its user-friendly interface and impressive language generation capabilities make it accessible to a wide audience. Voiceover, however, Gemini seems to have the edge when it comes to accuracy, complex problem-solving, and tasks requiring deep understanding of information. Its multimodal capabilities also offer a glimpse into the future of AI, where interacting with machines will become even more intuitive. But the AI landscape is constantly evolving. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are under active development, with new features and improvements being rolled out regularly. The future of AI promises to be even more exciting. Imagine AI that can truly understand and respond to human emotions, that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, and that can help us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Ultimately, the better model depends on your specific needs and priorities. The key is to experiment with both, explore their capabilities, and discover which one best suits your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.